Good morning students. Today let us continue with exercise 2.3. So we are doing with linear inequalities. It is exercise 2.3 up to problem 5 we have completed yesterday. Now we are going to start with problem number 6. So in problem number 6, it is a word problem. A manufacturer has 600 liters of a 12% solution of acid. So 12% of 600 liters. So first let us calculate what is 12% of 600 liters. That is 12 by 100 into 600. So what will be the answer? It is equal to 72 liters. Okay. Next enna kuduthirukanga appadina, how many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it? So 30% of acid solution to be added to it, that the acid content in the resulting mixture will be more than 15%. So first let us calculate 15% of 600 liters. That is equal to 15 by 100 into 600. So your answer is 90 liters. And but less than 18%. So again let us calculate what is 18% of 600 liters. So 18 by 100 into 600. That is 18 into 6, that is 108 liters. So the first step we have to calculate all the percentage of 600 liters. Okay. Now let us go to the question. How many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it? So let us consider, let X liters of acid solution, let X liters of 30% of acid solution added to the 12% of 600 liters. Okay. So let us consider, let X liters of 30% of acid added. Okay. So first let us write down 30%, that is 30 by 100 X added to 12% of 600, that is 72, greater than 15 by 100, 15% of the acid added to the X liters. Okay. So first let us calculate this, and then but less than 18%. So we have to calculate one more with less than 18% of 600 plus X. Okay. So first let us go to this. Let us cancel this 3X plus, when you are multiplying 10 with 72, 720 divided by 10 greater than, when you are taking this and cancelling, first 15 into 600, that is 90 00 divided by 100 plus 15x by 100. Okay. So double zeros will get cancelled. Now let us write this as 3x plus 720 divided by 10 greater than 90 plus 15x. 15x, 15 and 100 can get cancelled 3 times, 20 times. So we can write this as 3x divided by 20. Okay. So now when you are taking the LCM of this, it will become as 20. 2 into 9, 18. So 1800 plus 3x divided by 20 is 3x plus 720 divided by 10. Okay. So let us cancel the term 0, 0 and multiply 2 with this. 6x plus 1440 greater than 1800 plus 3x. So now we are getting 6x minus 3x greater than 1800 minus 1440. So your answer will be 3x greater than 360, x greater than 120. So this is for the greater than value. Next we have to calculate for another one is given given that 30% of the acid solution added to these 12% of 600 liters is less than 18% of 600 plus x. Okay, again the same thing we are going to follow here. 3x plus 720 divided by 10. This side we can cancel this, so 108 plus 18x divided by 100. So we can write this as multiplying this 108 double zeros plus 18x divided by 100. This side you are having 10, so we can cancel zeros, multiplying by 10, cross multiplying. 30x plus 7200 less than 10800 plus 18x. So what it is now? 30x minus 18x, it is 12x less than 10,800 minus 7,200, it is 3,600. So x less than 300. So already x greater than 120 and now x less than 300. Therefore, the solution is x lies between 120 to 300 liters. Okay, so the answer for the problem is 120 to 300. So first you have to calculate each percentage with 600 liters, and then it is asked with how many liters of a 30% acid solution must be added to it so that the acid content in the resulting mixture means 600 liters plus x will be more than 15% but less than 18%. So you have to calculate the answer like this. Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. Problem number 7. Find all pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers. Consecutive odd natural numbers. Find all possible pairs of consecutive odd natural numbers, both of which are larger than 10. Which are larger than 10, that is greater than 10, and the sum is less than 40, and their sum is less than 40. So we need to find out the pairs which are larger than 10. When you are adding the sum, it will be less than 40. So let us consider the two numbers. Let the numbers be x and x plus 2. X and x plus 2. Okay. So if 1 and 1 plus 2 3. 1 and 3. 11 and 13. So we can choose x and x plus 2 be the two odd natural numbers. So it is given that the sum is less than 40. So what is the meaning? X plus 2 is less than 40. This is the given data. Okay. So 2x less than 40 minus 2. So it is 2x less than 38. So x less than 19. So we got the answer x less than 19. But we know and x is greater than 10. It is the numbers both of which are larger than 10. So இந்த ரெண்டு கண்டிஷனையும் வச்சு நம்ம இப்ப possible pairs எழுத போறோம். Therefore, the possible pairs are x is equal to 11, x plus 2 is equal to 13. Since it is greater than 10, I am starting with 11. Okay, when x is equal to 13, we have to choose only the odd numbers. X plus 2 equal to 15. Okay, x is equal to 15, x plus 2 equal to 17. Next, x is equal to 17, x plus 2 equal to 19. So if you are going with x is equal to 19, x plus 2 will be 21. So it is more than 40. So always the sum should be lesser than 40. Therefore the possible pairs are 11, 13, 13, 15, 15, 17 and 17, 19. So these are the four possible pairs whose sum is less than 90. Whose sum is lesser than 40. Sorry, lesser than 40. Okay. So these are the possible ordered pairs. Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Problem number 8. It is problem number 8. It is given the height reached. The model rocket is launched from the ground. The height reached by the rocket after t seconds from lift off. ஒரு height reach பண்ணும்ல அந்த rocket, அது வந்து in t secondsல என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்கன்னா -5t² plus 100t அப்படின்னு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. t யோட range வந்து 0 less than or equal to t less than or equal to 20. At what times the rocket is 495 feet above the ground அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So we need to find out the time at height is above 495 அப்படின்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So எந்த டைம்ல இது வந்து more than 495 இருக்கும் அப்படின்றது தான் question. So we have to find out here at what time the rocket is above 495 அப்படின்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். So let us go with this problem. Height of t க்கு வந்து நம்ம என்ன சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ண போறோம்னா 495. So 495 is equal to -5t² plus 100t. Let us make the quadratic equation 5t². இதை இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துடுறேன். -100t plus 495 equal to 0 னு வருது. ஓகே, divide by 5 பண்ணிக்கலாம். அப்ப என்ன ஆகும்? t² minus 20t plus 99 is equal to 0. அப்ப 99 ஓட factors வந்து sum of -20 இருக்கணும். 11 9 கொடுக்கலாம், minus minus. அப்ப t minus 9 11 and t minus 9 is equal to 0. அப்ப t is equal to 11, t is equal to 9. Therefore the time is t equal to 11 seconds or 9 seconds. The rocket will be more than 495. It reaches the height of more than 495 in 9 seconds or 11 seconds. Okay. So the next problem is, we shall go to the next problem. A plumber can be paid according to the following schemes. Plumber வேலை பார்ப்பாங்கல்ல, அவங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு following schemeல நமக்கு வந்து pay பண்றாங்க. இந்த first scheme, so he works for how many hours he works அப்படிங்கறத வந்து நம்ம x hours னு first எடுத்துக்கலாம். He works for x hours. நம்ம இந்த பக்கம் ஒரு scheme எழுதிக்கலாம். And this side another scheme. ரெண்டு ஸ்கீமா இருக்கு. So first scheme பாத்தீங்கன்னா 500 plus 70 per hour. ஒரு 70 per hour க்கு 500 plus கொடுக்குறாங்க. அப்ப 500 plus 70 per hour. So x. இந்த side பார்த்தோம்னா, and in the second scheme he will pay rupees 120 per hour. இப்ப per hour க்கு 120 rupees கொடுக்குறாங்க. So he paid with 120 per hour. Here 500 plus 70 per hour. Okay. If he works x hours to complete the job, then for what value of x does the first scheme give better wages? So they ask to find out the better wages should be in the first scheme. To make scheme 1 is better. To make scheme 1 as better. First scheme வந்து பெட்டரா இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னா அவனுக்கு வந்து then for what value of x does the first scheme give better wages? என்ன x values க்கு அவருக்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்கீம்ல பெட்டர் வேஜஸ் சம்பளம் கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்க்க போறோம். அப்ப இதுதான் கூட இருக்கணும். அப்ப 500 plus 70x greater than 120x. அப்ப 500 அந்த பக்கம் நம்ம கொண்டு போனோம்னா 120x minus 70x னா it is 50x. So it is 10 greater than x னு வருது. So x lesser than 10 னு வந்துரும். So x is equal to, we can take the values 9, 8, 7 etc. Okay. So scheme 1 is better for wages if we complete the work in 9 hours. So we can write the answer as it is x lesser than 10. So we can write the answer as when x is less than 10, the first scheme gives better wages. So scheme 1 is better for wages if he completes the work in how many hours? 9 hours. 9 hours முடிச்சிட்டாரு அப்படின்னா அவருக்கு வந்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்கீம்ல உள்ள wages வந்து it will be better அப்படின்றத நம்ம முடிக்கிறோம். Okay. So now let us go to the next problem. Problem number 10. A and B are working on similar jobs but their annual salaries differ by more than rupees 6,000. If B earns rupees 27,000 per month, then what are the possibilities of A salary per month? என்ன சொல்லிருக்காங்க, A and B வந்து similar job செய்றாங்க, ஆனா annual salaries differ by more than rupees 6,000. annual salary வந்து 6,000 rupees differ ஆகுது. If B earns rupees 27,000 per month, then what are the possibilities of A salary per month அப்படின்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்து நமக்கு A salary என்னன்னே தெரியாது. So let A salary be x. A salary per month வந்து நம்ம rupees x எடுத்துப்போம். சரியா? இப்ப B salary per month வந்து அவங்க கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா? So B salary per month எவ்வளவு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? rupees 27,000. rupees 27,000 it is given. Okay. Difference between A's and B salary per year எவ்வளவு? Greater than 6,000. அப்ப difference between them is greater than rupees 6,000. Okay. அப்ப நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம், A salary ஓட B salary-க்கும் உள்ள difference வந்து 6,000 கூட இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லியாச்சு. அப்ப A salary என்னவா இருக்கும்? A salary is greater than rupees, இது இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு வந்துட்டோம்னா 33,000 வருது. ஓகேயா? A salary is rupees greater than rupees 33,000. அப்ப B salary minus A salary வந்து greater than 6,000 அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம் இல்லையா? இப்படியும் சொல்லலாம். அதோட டிஃபரன்ஸ் வந்து B salary minus A salary is greater than rupees 6,000. முதல்ல வந்து A minus B ன்னு எடுத்துட்டோம். இப்ப B minus A, அப்ப இது வந்து 27,000 minus A salary, அதை x ன்னு கூட வச்சிருந்தோம் இல்லையா? is greater than 6,000. அப்ப A salary minus A salary greater than minus 21,000 வரும் இல்லையா? அந்த பக்கம் போனுச்சுன்னா it will be subtracted. minus ரெண்டு பக்கம் நீ cancel பண்ணினா A salary is lesser than அப்படின்னு வந்துரும். A salary lesser than 21,000. when you are removing the minus on both sides, inequality changes. அப்ப நமக்கு வந்து possibility of A salary இப்ப எப்படி இருக்கு? Possibilities of A salary per month எப்படி இருக்கலாம்? Either rupees 33,000, either greater than rupees 33,000 or lesser than rupees 21,000. So A salary ஓட possibilities தான் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So A க்கும் B க்கும் உள்ள difference வந்து rupees 6,000 ன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க annual salaryல. So A salary greater than 33,000 இருக்கணும், இல்லைனா lesser than 21,000 இருக்கணும். So this is the possibility for both the things. Okay, now let us go to, so with this we have completed with exercise 2.3. so students write down all these problems in your notebook, try to do the homework sums in the black pen and submit the assignments, upload the assignments as a PDF format. Okay, so you can